Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Base44 app into an offline app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to base44.com, sign into your account, and now we can go ahead and continue with a project, but what I suggest is to create a new project that basically says something like this. So for me, I want to create a workout tracking app that is simple in design and works completely offline. The user needs no internet connection to access or use all of its features. So I'm just going to build this app from scratch, but if you've got a pre-existing app, just go ahead and in the prompt just say, make sure this app, the users don't need any internet connection and doesn't need to use all of its features, and it can work completely offline. So stuff along those lines. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this cook in the background. So it's going to build this app for me. So I'm going to pause this video and get back to the demonstration once it's finished building. So as you can see, it's building here. So it's got all the steps involved. And if I go down below, it's got an offline strategy. So use browsers, local storage to persist all data, no API calls, everything runs client side. So basically you need these two lines on your app for this to work offline. Okay, so it says here your offline workout tracking app is ready. It stores all data in your browser's local storage, so no internet is needed. Features include dashboard with stats, etc, etc. So all data persists locally on your device. So that's exactly what we want. So now once the app is generated, we need to head over to the top right hand corner and go ahead and click to GitHub code editing button. So look for the option that says export project as zip and select it. So export your app to GitHub to collaborate with others. So we might need to upgrade your plan for this to be possible. So go ahead and upgrade your plan. So you can choose the plan that's right for you. They've got some they got starter here, so you only need the simple one here, starter, to get started. And once you do that, you'll be able to connect to GitHub and download the source code. So after the zip file downloads, extract it all to access all your source files, open the project in a code editor like Visual Studio Code and make any adjustments needed to ensure it runs offline, such as removing online API calls, if any, or replacing them with local data. Now, when you're done making the changes, save everything and run the app locally. Your app should now function completely offline without needing any internet connection.